There are places wherein eddy current is very useful. I have listed few of them. So starting from magnetic braking system. So how does it work? Eddy current are induced in a metallic disc or drum when it moves through a magnetic field. So this we know. That's the whole fund of eddy current. This current creates an opposing magnetic field which exerts a drag force on the moving plate. This also we know. And that is something about your brake. Is it not? This principle is used in train and roller coaster for smoother and reliable braking without physical contact. Does it make sense? Physically, they're not touching, so wear and tear will reduce. So we are saving money. Does it make sense? Right? It's commonsensical. Now, induction heating. You guys have heard of it, and I'm sure most of you guys have used it as well. How does it work? Eddy current are generated in a conductive material placed in a varying magnetic field. Again, just a fact. The resistance of the material converts the electrical energy of the eddy current into heat. I told you, right? Eddy current can produce heat. We can make use of that heat. That's it. This method is used for heating metals in industrial process. This is pretty good actually. You guys can search this. We'll also try to put this particular video actually. It's used for welding and all that. So we melt it, we kind of join it and all that. That's basically welding, right? So forging, melting and heating treatment due to this efficiency and precise control. This is quite nice. This heating process, melting process and all that. Have a look. Metal detection. I'm sure this you guys would have gone through. Eddy current are induced in metal objects when they are exposed to any alternating magnetic field. That you guys know. The presence of this current can be detected by a metallic detector. This application is widely used in security screening, then your archaeological exploration and treasure hunting. I don't know how many of you guys have seen all of this, but yeah, if you observe, it's pretty much out there in day-to-day life. Non-destructive testing. So eddy current are induced in a metallic being tested. Variation in the flow of this current can indicate the presence of crack, void, and other defects. Ideally, if you have a metal, right, there should be X eddy current. But if there is a crack, it will be less than X. And that's how we get to know about crack. Does it make sense? Because of this, where is that? Oh, it's in the other video, right? How to reduce eddy current. It's over there. It's crucial for industries like aeroplane, wherein we can't just tear and chuck and everything, is it not? Automation, automotive, construction. So all of this we will use eddy current. Yes, one more places. This though it's happening in your house as of now. Eddy current are used in damping mechanism for analog meter. The current are induced in a moving coil or disc, creating a magnetic field that opposes the motion and stabilizes the needle. This application ensures accurate and stable reading in devices like ammeter and voltmeter. Right, guys? So yeah, meter reading and all of that, to stabilize that, we make use of this. Actually, I was thinking of some other application. It turned out to be something else. And magnetic levitation. So we have seen levitation. This is wherein we have our maglev trains, right? There are quite a few out now. So they're pretty fast and reliable and all of that. So those are your next generation. This is what I meant. Electric power meter. This is one thing that you guys will see in your house. Eddy current are used to rotate disk of induction type electric energy meter. The interaction between the magnetic field and the eddy current causes the disk to rotate, measuring the energy consumed. So this is, I don't know if you guys have seen this. Just observe any new meters. There will be some disk that will keep rotating. This application is common in residential and commercial electrical meters. Okay, so that's for billing. Quite a few things are there. Depending on interest, you can web search and have a look. Everything is interesting for me though.